Hey, learn how to draw up crew. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a crewmate from Among Us with a chef hat. I'm excited. I hope you are as well. One more thing, if you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, then go hit that button right now. Awesome. Let's go down this drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with. So for the first step in making our crewmate, we're going to begin by making one big circle right in the middle of the page. Fantastic. Now everything that we make, we're going to go back and bolden. So let's go ahead and bolden this right now. Now once we're all done thickening those lines, the next step will be to make the body of our crewmate. Great, now let's go ahead and bolden everything that we just made. Now on the left side of the crewmate, we're going to begin to make the backpack. Now we'll want to bolden this as well. Now for one of the last steps in making our crewmate, we're going to move to the top of the head and we're going to begin to make a chef hat. Now just how we thickened every other line that we've made so far, we're going to do the same thing for the chef hat. This is how to draw a crewmate with a chef hat. Now let's get ready to color in our crewmate.